Hi, my name is Jason Toll for the Grasshopper Mowers, and today I'm going to show you how to put the Dozer Blade onto a 725D Grasshopper zero-turn mower. The Dozer Blades, while I'm putting it on a 725D, are also compatible with every 600, 700, and 900 series front mount mower. Things that you may use a Dozer Blade for would be for sand, rocks, snow, anything that you would like to push. To start with, the only tools that you're going to need to attach the Dozer Blade to the mower is going to be a pair of 7/16 wrenches. We're going to start by folding the footrest up to give us access to the underside. The first things that we're going to attach, we're going to slide the square tubes inside the square frames on the mower. Now I would like to mention too that if you look at these from the top, the squares have two holes. You're going to use the farthest back hole as what we're going to attach to. So just keep note of that as you're sliding them back into the frames on the tractor. You can get too far and make it harder for yourself. Once you get the holes lined up, go ahead and put your bolts down through. Just leaving the bolts loose for now. Pull forward on this lever. It's going to effectively give us clearance to come up over the top of the mount bushings. Once we're over the top, go ahead and slide it into position and release your handle. You may have to wiggle a little bit on the blade to get it to fall into position. Once it has fallen over the attachment bushings, go ahead and we will release the latch pins by pulling back, turning down 90 degrees. They are spring loaded to latch. At this point now, we can put the nuts on the bolts that we slid through earlier and tighten them down. Lower the footrest and you're ready to go. And now I'm going to show you how to remove the Dozer Blade from a 725D Grasshopper zero-turn mower. Starting by setting your adjustable handle for your height control down to just one of the medium slots so that we get everything slacked. We're going to raise the footrest. We're going to take the two bolts loose on the frames. This is normally a one-man job, and it is a lot easier if you have the optional card. At this point, we will release the D-rings that hold the latches by pulling them back and turning them 90. That will release us from the mounts. At this time, we can take and pull on the portion that you'd normally push your feet on. And that's going to help us pick up off the hooks and allow it to slide forward. At this time, we will come down, go ahead and release your handle all the way down, then letting it rest completely on the cart, giving us slop in the bars so that we can slide them out of the front as we're pulling the Dozer Blade forward. If you have any more questions about attachments on Grasshopper mowers, be sure to check out grasshoppermower.com. If you found today's video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel.